Welcome to the Rainy Day Cooking Show. Me. We're making pepper soup. Egg. Cooking board. We need a cooking board.
Cooking board?
The
Cutting board? It's right behind you. Make sure you talk loud to everybody so they can hear you.
Now, here we make pepper soup.
What goes in pepper soup?
Beans.
Tell them.
We first make beans in it and tomatoes.
Everyone might want to know what your names are.
My name is Delilah and my sister's name's Kenley.
Okay, good. What would you like her to help you with?
You should help me stir the soup.
I think she likes cutting stuff.
And you can help me cut. And carrots go in there too. And peppers. Mommy. And then we put peppers in there.
Kenley, want to help Lila chop vegetables?
Stop it!
You don't have to wear the hat. Lila, remember we weren't going to fight over anything.
And then we have eggs. Oh, we don't need them. Welcome to the Rainy Day Cooking Show. And now we add beef.
Where's your assistant? You want a new assistant?
Clayton, you're my assistant.
Hello, hello. What are we making today?
We're making pepper soup.
Pepper soup. Sounds bloody awful. What else is there to do on a rainy day though than make pepper soup? Take it away, dear.
And mushrooms.
Mushrooms
And beans.
and beans.
And noodles.
Noodles.
And some carrots.
And some carrots.
And the final thing is shrimp. Now we put it in the oven.
In the oven. Like the English do. Bake it till there's nothing left, right? What is that right there?
It's a cucumber.
Oh, cucumber. Blimey.
Bread.
And bread.
And cheese.
And cheese.
And bread.
And more bread.
And another piece of bread. And some greens. It's ready.
I'm ready. I got my cheese sandwich. It's not too good. I really don't think we should feed the people this.
And here it is.
Soup.
A great pepper soup. And that is our cooking show. Now we are making great, yummy salad.
I know, I'm sorry, I couldn't help you. I had been right out for breakfast from McDonald's.
And now we are making salad. And
Still making salad. Yep.
here's this. You just ruined the cooking show.
I did not ruin the cooking show. I'm giving it a little spice, if you know what I mean. The chef can appreciate that. We'll see you after these next commercial messages and a new pair of trousers.
We're going to have a commercial messages. We are back.
Sure are.
We are back with the cooking show. Now we put bread around the pepper soup.
Doesn't she just magical? What's the way you're pointing that thing on it?
Ta-da! A great pepper soup with bread. Now for the salad. Now for the soup, we put cucumbers.
What are we making here? Salad?
We are
It's a secret, folks. You're gonna have to wait.
making a great, lovely soup.
Oh, cha-cha, we are making a great, lovely soup. You're gonna like it.
And we are gonna make salad next.
Yeah, we're gonna make salad next. A lucky clover salad. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing, Jace. I have to watch out a man like me in a night like this. Something dangerous just might happen to you. We're just having fun, folks. This is just what we like to do. I like to throw a different accent in here, and I can't really help it. Ever since Margene left me. Anyway, what am I doing now?
We...
Ah! I'll be back in a few moments, folks.
And we are having a great, lovely dinner today.
Just a flesh wound, don't mind me. I'll be alright. It's happened before. Every woman I've ever been around since she caught me, hurt me in one way or another, especially Margene.
I accidentally cut my assistant.
Yeah, accident. Sure.
And sorry to make you so confused.
Easy. No one likes to cut with the jizz. Cut your thumb clean off. Good form.
I won't cut myself.
Okay.
Okay, then we put in a hot pencil.
Hair in the food. That looks like mine too.
And now we stir the pepper soup. Ding! Oh, ah. perfect soup. But we're not done with the cooking show yet. Now we're having a commercial messages again.
Another one. Right.
Here.
Audrey!